Charts can be a very powerful tool to gain insights into your business data. In this video, I will show you how you can set up and customize different charts using Sapiens.BI. When you're done setting everything up, you're going to be able to create a column chart like this one here, or pick any of the other chart options in this menu. You'll also have the ability to customize the colors for each category. All you have to do is click on the color you want to change, and in here you can either click around and pick the color that you want, or you can copy paste to get a perfect match. And finally, if you want to investigate further, you can drill down to the detailed area, and that's going to open up more information on each data point. To set up your chart, the first thing you need to do is define what information you would like your chart to display. There are two things that you need to set up for this. Let's start with the first one. Head over to the Aggregate tab, and in here you need to at least add one item. In my example, I have the converted amount and I want the sum of that, and I have the opportunity name and I want the count for that. The second thing you need to set up is under the Grouping and Sorting tab. In here you have to make at least one line item, and you have to have a group or a group and sort option included. You'll notice that when I add group and sort, in here I can select if I want it in ascending or descending order. When you're happy with all your changes, go to the Save button. Now that everything is set up, it is time to customize your chart. So go ahead and scroll down until you see your chart appear. If it's not showing up, just make sure that this section is expanded. If you want to adjust the chart settings, go under Legend and Axis, and you will be able to change the legend, the value, and even turn the pie chart into a donut chart. And if you want to use a different chart, you can go to Chart Type, and in here you have multiple options to choose from. I want to go with a column chart. You will see that under the Legend and Axis tab, you have more options than you did with the pie chart. Note that everything that you added under the Grouping and Sorting tab is under horizontal axis, and everything you added in the Aggregates tab is now under the vertical axis. To add an additional dimension to your chart, you can further customize the legend by adding another group. In my example, I will add the assigned user and remove the expected close date. Make sure to only pick one option here. And when I hit the preview button, you can see that this has updated now with an additional dimension of each user. You can also stack your data like this and add the grand total. In some cases, it may be helpful to have a specific order to your legend items. So in this case, I'm going to set the legend to be the sales stage. And here, if you click on the Sort by Legend Pick List items, you're now able to change the order of your list. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you also have the ability to drill down to see further details on each data point. And for the finishing touches, you can change the color of any of the categories by clicking here. And here you can either use a code or look for a color that you want by just clicking around and finding the right one. And hit accept once you've found the color that you're looking for. You can also change the size of your chart by dragging the corner. And if you want to change the name of your chart, you can do that here. This is also the name that's going to appear in any dashboard that you integrate this chart into. And finally, by clicking on the gear icon here, you can hide the legend or save the chart as a picture so you can add it to an email or a presentation. And as always, once you're done making all your changes, scroll back up and hit the Save button. Now that you have created your first chart, you may want to create an entire dashboard with all your key performance indicators. I will leave a video tutorial up here on how to create a dashboard using Sapiens.BI. I hope this video helped you understand how to create charts. If you still have questions, I will leave our contact information below in the description of this video. For now, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye!